Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Virtual Camera in OBS Studio. Virtual Camera allows you to use your OBS scene as a webcam source in apps like Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Discord, and other video calling applications. First, open OBS Studio and create the scene you want to use with your virtual camera. You can add your webcam, screen capture, images, text, overlays, or other sources to make your video look more professional. Once your scene is ready, look at the Controls section on the right side of OBS Studio. You'll find an option called Start Virtual Camera. Click it to start the OBS Virtual Camera. Now open the video application where you want to use OBS as your camera. For example, if you're using Zoom, open the video settings and find the camera option. Select OBS Virtual Camera instead of your normal webcam. The same process works with many other supported applications. Simply open the camera settings and choose OBS Virtual Camera as your video source. You can now return to OBS Studio and change your scene whenever you want. For example, you can switch between your webcam scene, screen sharing scene, presentation scene, or any other layout you have created. The changes will appear through the virtual camera automatically. You can also add filters, text, images, transitions, and overlays to your OBS scene before sending the video to your